Learn English. The sentence. A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark, depending on the nature and meaning of the sentence. A sentence must contain a subject and a finite verb. In order to check whether you have a subject, ask who or what before the verb. This subject may be replaced with a pronoun, for example he, she or it. The boy plays. Who plays? He plays. Sentences are also classified as follows. 1. The simple sentence. This has one finite verb and deals with one idea. 2. The compound sentence. This has two or more finite verbs. It may be made up of two or more simple sentences joined by a coordinating conjunction. 3. The complex sentence. This contains one main clause or thought and one or more subordinate clauses which provide additional information. They are joined by subordinating conjunction. 2. The compound sentence examples. Dan plays soccer at school and works on his computer at home. I really need to go to work, but I am too sick to drive. I cooked dinner, and he washed the dishes. Jane has a red car, but Jill has a blue car. I am counting my calories, yet I really want dessert. Down below in the comment section write down your compound sentence example. Thank you for watching and subscribe to learn English for more videos.